Can I get some coriander?
Okay, put that there, I'll sort you. Okay, venison shoulder. Luke, give it me here, I'll do it on the path. Luke, stay here, yeah? Not going anywhere.
There we go, silver lining, yeah? The next call on the big table is going to be 5.
Got it, mine. Got mine. Got mine. I have mine. Thanks. So, give me venison, give me the sirloin, yeah?
One chickos, one fries.
Okay, we've got table 2 working at the back, please. Don't slow down. Look, you got a couple of minutes. Leave it there. Give me the sirloin. And we send the pork down last. Let it rest on the board. Just let it rest there for a minute.
Keep going, table 6, let's go, away.
This is gone, 100%. Working this right now.
I haven't really got time for it.
Yeah, sure.
Sirloin, crispy pork. Yeah, thank you. After 2, 26, 107. I have all the sides, okay? I have all the sides. Okay, Sean.
Yeah, listening.
Go on the burger and the fries, please.
201?
Yeah.
Yeah. Another fries coming up?
No. Service. Joyce. 1 venison. 1 fries.
Yep.
On parsnips, 48. Sirloin down, please.
Yeah.
Take that back, Luke. It's a spare one.
25 wants to cancel.
Take this, Sean.
25 wants to cancel the pork.
No.
No, they can't.
Who?
25.
Yeah, they can.
Yeah,
Table 25 is cancelled. Delete it. Throw it in the bin.
Take that 201. Jack, you want a jug of sauce or go?
1 second. There somewhere.
Table 2 is coming up very soon, Jack.
1 second.
You're not holding it, it's coming up right now.
I need this one right in 45 minutes.
Yes, yeah.
Sean, where's that table?
Which one? 28?
We don't have a 25. What table was it?
It's because it used to be 28.
Was 28. We need to chill the communications down. It will come to you. It's getting a bit chaotic. Speak to the waiter. Right, Sean. 1 sirloin here for 48.
Yeah, can I take it? Alright, let's go to 48, yeah? Yeah, go ahead. No, just go 48. send that one.
48.
Huh?
Where's the ticket gone?
That was the one that you had there that maybe was cancelled, right?
No. You had the ticket in your hand, you just did something with it.
48?
Yeah.
Yes, chef. 48.
What do you need?
Jack 107?
Wait. Oh, shit. Say again, mate.
Slightly more juice than that, they don't too far. Flavour-wise, let's say maybe a tiny bit more, not much.
Can I start table 2?
Yep. Where's my steak?
Table 2, no positions.
Will, can I get cods then?
Yeah, there's 2 fries, 2 parsnips. So just missing the rump steak on that?
Yes, chef.
Great.
Just out of curiosity,
Yeah.
for us getting the time to recreate the table, if you fire the carton, how long will it stay on
For what? Table.
For the
The big group, it'll take us about 4 minutes to get on the content.
4 minutes.
4
You
minutes.
know that cod goes with muscle. Okay, 2 burgers and a venison, wait. After that, 46, 205 together. 46, 205 together. One pork. Yeah. $205 on its own first, please. I need one extra fries on the mains, please.
One extra fries for the main. Is that all day, bro?
Melt it slightly, see how it goes.
Wait.
Just see if it comes back together. You can go a lot less butter on here.
Yes, sir.
I want like basically nothing.
Yeah, start going.
Yeah, nice one, chef.
They were just getting ready. They were just getting ready on it.
To the place.
That's just good.
Guys, I just need 3 holes and hold the rest, okay? Alright. I'll give them the clear fast.
Not me.
Okay, no worries. The rest, they'll be fine. They're fresh and done.
Fresh as fuck, man.
I'm proud.
Yeah, working, chef. Fire it up.
Yeah, yeah. park the car here, eh?
Say again?
Yeah, what did you?
Send it.
Send it?
Yeah. Yeah, bro.
Wait. Sorry, back.
Yeah, backs, bro, backs. Yeah, fucking word. This is all I paid for. So, service, Sean?
Yeah.
107, 2 burger. Right, quick clean down, Michael.
No sides.
Say again?
Right, Jack.
Yeah.
Side, no sides.
2 fries.
2 fries, yeah.
We'll have a look at the sauces, Luke. Just double check everything. Who got downstairs? George, right? You don't need to go downstairs, do you?
Get 171, 71 is 27 on our contract, please.
Hey. Real chefs do service. Michelangelo.
Jack, just confirming 107, yeah?
Confirming, yeah. Well, we got 2 containers of oyster falls. What's going on over here, you?
Fire burrata.
Some champagne? Oh, people
Which one's older?
He's that one. That's what I see this morning.
It's got a bigger time in it. Yeah, shit. Oh yeah? Oh, that's really interesting, mate. Deb? Okay, 1 more fries for 205. So I need more cherry gel and I need more lovage gel, okay?
They're being cleared.
I'll take the lovage myself. John, you're seasoning this at the same time? Season that one as well. Okay, I need a pork garnish, please. Got 1 pork garnish up, Joe. I mean, Angela. You like that, do you, Michael?
Wait, pork fries.
Yeah. Right, nice clean down there, Michael. Come on, let's get a really good clean, yeah? Clean and top everything up.
Nice and topped up. Short clean. One. Table one. Will, the contact for table 9 is fired. Reset. Yeah. Right, pop it away.
Okay, one pork, one fries, 205. Sauce back?
Two still not left.
Yeah, back, yeah. 205 gone, Sean.
I didn't send anything.
Oh.
There's a pork and a fry.
Nice piece, hot. Thanks, please. Okay, boys and girls. Right. Shall we? Gilby, you want to take these scratches, brother? Gilby. Yep. We get clean up on the starters, John. Need some help on the starters, a bit dirty.
21 those bad boys. That's a slide. That's a slide.